So this is another update with Winter Storm Grayson that happened yesterday. You guys didn't see the last video, it was a full-on blizzard. Found out that this storm might have been one of the biggest pressure drops in a storm. As I heard, dropped about 60 millibars in one day. And the storm was actually much worse than it was supposed to be. Supposed to get about 3 to 6 inches of snow, some places 4 to 8. We ended up with over 10 inches. And the aftermath of the storm, it's less than 10 degrees right now. High earlier was 15, and tomorrow won't even hit double digits. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this update.